Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple iPhone X, US version, 256GB, Space Gray Unlocked, renewed. This phone is a powerhouse, with 256GB of storage to store all your photos, videos, and apps. And the best part? It's unlocked and compatible with any carrier of your choice, whether it's a AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, US Cellular, Cricket, Metro, TracFone, Mint Mobile, or any other GSM and CDMA network. But that's not all. This phone has been rigorously tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum battery capacity of 80%. It has also passed a full diagnostic test, ensuring like new functionality and the removal of any prior user personal information. If you're worried about cosmetic damage, fear not, we've inspected this device and guaranteed it to have minimal cosmetic damage, which is not noticeable when the device is held at arm's length. While the device does not come with headphones or a SIM card, it does include a generic, MFI certified charger and charging cable. So why wait? Grab your Apple iPhone X today and experience the power and versatility of this amazing device. Check out the link in the description to get yours now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.